Hello everyone, today our topic is how to sell digital downloads or products using WooCommerce and WhatsApp. So here my objective is that whenever I get a new order from WooCommerce with my digital product or my digital downloads, then automatically I want to send this product or digital download on WhatsApp. So for that, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API, and for my objective, I have to build a connection between WooCommerce and WhatsApp Cloud API. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I have to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use WooCommerce. In action application, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen.
I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can sell digital downloads or products using WooCommerce and WhatsApp. So here in WooCommerce, I have these two digital products of ebook. Now what I want is that whenever a customer purchases any of these digital products, then automatically these products should be shared on WhatsApp so that the customer can download it through WhatsApp. So for sending this as a message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API, which is an official cloud API platform for WhatsApp by Meta. And here for doing this automatically and for saving my time and energy, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, and for setting up this automation, it requires zero coding and programming skills. So for setting up this automation, I just have to build a simple connection between WooCommerce and WhatsApp Cloud API, and for that I have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I have to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will take us to this dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section, and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here, and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here, I want to create a new workflow. For that, I have to click here on this create workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to sell digital downloads or products using WooCommerce and WhatsApp. And I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select WooCommerce here. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we have to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application will be WooCommerce. So I'm going to select WooCommerce here, and now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab. And new order created will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I have to connect WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect. And for connecting these two accounts, I have to follow all this instruction. And first I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And now we'll go to my WooCommerce account. So here in WordPress, I have this plugin of WooCommerce. So in this, I will go to settings. And in settings, I will go to advanced. And in this, I have this option of webhook. So I'm going to open this. And here I have to add my webhook. So I'm going to click here on this add webhook button. So I'm going to click here. And first I have to give the name to my webhook. So I'm going to name it as digital products. And now I'm going to select my status. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select the status of active. And for topic, I'm going to open this tab and here I'm going to select order created. So I am setting up this webhook for order created. So I'm going to select this. And now I have to give the delivery URL. So here I'm going to paste my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now I have to save my webhook. So I'm going to click here on the save webhook button. And I have saved my webhook. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have this response of adding my webhook. So we have this webhook ID. So this means that I have successfully connected WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect by using this webhook URL. And I have connected these two accounts. Now I have to click here on this recapture webhook response. I will click on yes. And here it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this response? For that, I have to create a new order, and for creating the order, I will go to my WooCommerce shop, and here I have these two digital products, which is an ebook on sustainable development and ebook on natural resources. So I'm going to buy any of this product. So I'm going to buy this product of ebook of sustainable development. So I'm going to click here on this add to cart button, and now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to proceed to checkout. and I'm going to buy this. And here I have filled my billing details. So my first name is Test, last name is Customer, and my company name is Pabbly. My country region is India, and this is my address. So my city is Bhopal, state is Madhya Pradesh, and this is my pin code. And this is the random mobile number. And this is also going to be the WhatsApp number of my customer. And my email address is testcustomer@pabblytudes.com. So I have filled all the details here. Now I'm going to click on place order. And here I have created this new order. Here it says, thank you, your order has been received. So I have successfully created this new order. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we have received this new response. So in this response, we have the details of the new order that we have just created. So this is the total amount of 150 rupees. And this is the name of my product, which is an ebook on sustainable development. And this is my pin code. This is the name of my customer, which is Test. Last name is Customer. Country region is IN, which is for India. And this is my company, which is Pabbly. My city is Bhopal, and this is my address. And this is my email address, which is testcustomer@pabblytudes.com. And this is my billing phone number. So here I have received the phone number of my customer. Now what I need to do is I have to send the digital download or the digital product that have been purchased by this customer on WhatsApp so that that customer can download it from WhatsApp. Now I have to use this mobile number and I have to send this message on WhatsApp. And before doing this, what I need to do is that on WooCommerce, I have different digital products. So here on response, I get this name of my product. So here, whenever a new order is creating, then I'm going to first search for that product name. And in my order, if I have the digital product that I'm selling on my WooCommerce account, then only I'm going to send them on WhatsApp. So for example, this customer bought this product of an ebook on sustainable development. Then I'm going to send the sustainable development ebook to that customer. And if the customer buys that second ebook, which is on natural resources, then I'm going to send the natural resources ebook to that customer. So for that, what I have to do is I have to set up my router. And for setting up my router, I have to set up my action step. So I'm going to open this. And in this, I'm going to select router. And here I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and conditionally run will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And I'm going to connect router by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. And here I can create different routes. So in the routes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create routes for my different products. So I only have 2 digital products in my WooCommerce store. So I'm going to create 2 different routes. But if you have more digital products in your WooCommerce store, then you can add new route according to your products. So here I'm going to rename my routes according to my products. So I'm going to click here on this 3-dot button and I'm going to click on rename. And first I'm going to clear this and I'm going to name it as my product. So the name of my route will be an ebook on sustainable development. So I'm going to update this. And my second product is of ebook on natural resources. So I'm going to rename it like that. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to click on rename. I'm going to clear this route too. And I'm going to type the name of my product here. Now I'm going to click on update. And these are 2 different products. Now, if someone purchased this product of sustainable development ebook, then I'm going to send this ebook on WhatsApp number to that customer. And if someone bought the ebook on natural resources, then I'm going to send an ebook of natural resources. So for this, I have to set filter and action tabs. So I'm going to click here on this set filter and action tabs. And here I have these 3 tabs: select label, filter type, and value. So by using these 3 tabs, I'm going to set up my filter. So in this filter, what I'm going to do is I'm going to filter out my order on the basis of my digital product. So here on the select label option, I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to search for line item. So here this is the line item, and in this line item, what I'm going to get is that I'm going to get the product name. So I'm going to select this. And here I have to select the filter type. So I'm going to select the filter type of equal to, and in the value, I'm going to name my digital product. So an ebook on sustainable development is the name of my product. So whenever in the line item, I have this value, which is of an ebook on sustainable development, then this filter will work and I'm going to get the response of success and my condition will be true. So if I get this product in my line item in my order, then I'm going to send this ebook of sustainable development to my customer. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request button. And here my condition is true and I have the status of success. So this means that the order that I have created is for this particular product, which is an ebook on sustainable development. Now what I need to do is I need to send this ebook on WhatsApp to my customer. So for that, I have to add my actions tab here. And here for sending this digital product on WhatsApp, I have to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to search for WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to select WhatsApp Cloud API here. And now I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and send template message will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect and I will click on add new connection. And to connect WhatsApp Cloud API, I have to give a token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So how I'm going to get these three details? For that, I have to set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account. And after setting up my account, I'm going to get these details. So how you can set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account? For that, you have to open this hyperlink of learn more. And this will take us to the forum of Pabbly Connect. And in this forum, you will get all the instruction on how you can set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account and how you can connect WhatsApp Cloud API. Now, I have already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account, so I'm going to take you there. And here, this is my WhatsApp Cloud API account, and here I am on API setup. So in this API setup, I have this temporary access token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So first, I'm going to refresh this temporary access token. And now I'm going to copy this token, and I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to paste that token here. Now I need a phone number ID. For that, I have to go back to my WhatsApp Cloud API account. And below my phone number, I have this phone number ID. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here. Now I need a WhatsApp business account ID. So I will go back to WhatsApp Cloud API. And this is my WhatsApp business account ID. So I'm going to copy this. And I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here. Now I'm going to click on save. And I have successfully connected WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. Now for sending the message, I have to first select my template. And for that, I have to first create my template on WhatsApp Cloud API account. For that, let me take you to WhatsApp Cloud API. And for creating your template, you have to open this hyperlink of click here. And it will take us to WhatsApp Manager where you will find message templates. And here by clicking on this create template button, you can create your template and you can customize the message that you want to send your customer. And in that message, you can add the digital product that you want to send on WhatsApp. So after customizing the message and your template, what you have to do is you have to take the approval for your template by Meta. So after taking the approval, your template is going to look like this. So I have took approval for this template, which is digital products. So I'm going to show you this template. And in this, I have this template, which is named as digital product and my language is English. And this is my template ID. Now in this template, I have this body of message, which is hello, and I have this variable. So in my message, I have added this variable so that in the place of this variable, I'm going to give the name of my customer. Whenever I'm getting a new customer, then automatically in the place of this variable, that customer name is going to add. So here in this place of this variable, I'm going to get the new customer that is creating the order in my WooCommerce account. And we have this message, we have received your payment for, and I have again added one more variable. And in place of this variable, I'm going to get the product name that I'm getting in my order. And I'm attaching the product with this message so you can download it. Thank you for shopping with us. So this is going to be the body of my message. I have two variables in my message. And with this message, I'm going to attach my product. So here in the header, I have attached my document that I want to send with this message. So this is my template. Now I'm going to map these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here for selecting the template, you have to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the templates that are connected with your WhatsApp Cloud API account. So I'm going to select this template of digital product. And my language code is EN, which is for English. And my template ID is already selected. Now I have these four tabs. So in the place of recipient mobile number, what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the number of my customer. So I'm going to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs. And the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I have to click here. I will open this response of WooCommerce. And in this, I'm going to search for my phone number. So this is the phone number of my customer and also the WhatsApp number of my customer. So I'm going to select this. Now I need the header document URL. So in the place of document URL, what I have to do is I have to give the URL of the document that I want to send with this particular message. So in this document URL, I'm going to give the URL of my product. And here I'm creating this for sustainable development ebook. So I'm going to give the URL of my ebook of sustainable development. So this is the URL of my product, which is sustainable.pdf. Now I have to give the header document file name. So my file name is also going to be the name of my product. So I'm going to type that. So this is my file name, which is an ebook on sustainable development. And here I have the tab of body field 1 and body field 2. So these are the variables that I have in my message. So in body field 1, what I have to do is I have to map the name of my customer. So for that, I have to click here. I will open this response of WooCommerce. And here I'm going to search for the name of my customer. So this is the first name. So I'm going to map this and I will give a space and I'm going to map the last name. Now in the body field 2, I have to map the name of my product. So I'm going to click here. I will open this response of WooCommerce. And here I'm going to search for the name of my product. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to search for line item. And this is my line item. And In this, I have the name of my product, so I'm going to map this. So I have filled all the required details here. Now what I need to do is, I need to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have sent this message on WhatsApp to my customer. Now to check this, let me open WhatsApp. So here on WhatsApp, we can see I have received this new message. So I'm going to open this. And here we can see that I have received this message and which says, "Hello test customer, we have received your payment for an ebook on sustainable development. And I'm attaching the product with this message so you can download it. Thank you for shopping with us." So with this message, I have this PDF of my product, which is for sustainable development. So I can automatically download this product from here. So here we can see that I have sent this message with my digital product on WhatsApp to my customer automatically. Now I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have did this for this product of an ebook on sustainable development. Now I'm going to close this, and I have to follow the same step for my ebook on natural resources. And if you have more digital products in your WooCommerce store, you can follow the same step for all your products. Now what you can do is, you can either follow the same step for this particular route, or you can either clone this route. So for cloning, you have to click here on this 3-dot button and you can click on clone. So here I have created this clone for this particular route. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to rename this, and I'm going to clear this, and I'm going to rename this for ebook on natural resources, and I'm going to update this. Now I have these two routes. Now I have to open this route. So I'm going to click here on this set filter and action steps. Now here I'm going to set up my filter on the basis of my product, which is of ebook on natural resources. So for setting that up, I'm going to open this tab of filter first. And here I'm going to select the same steps, but in the place of value, I'm going to clear this, and I'm going to type the name of my product, which is ebook on natural resources. So I'm going to type my value here, and this is going to be my filter. Now I'm going to click on save. Now what is going to happen is that whenever in my order I have this product, which is ebook on natural resources, then this filter will work. Now if my filter will work, then I have to set up my actions tab. So in my actions tab, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to open this, and here I've selected all the details that are required. In this, what I have to do is, I have to give the document URL on the basis of my product. So I'm going to clear this. Now I'm going to give the URL of my second product, which is ebook on natural resources. So I'm going to type the URL here. So this is my URL for second product, which is resources.pdf. Now I have to give the file name. So I'm going to clear this, and I'm going to type the name of my second product. So my second product is of ebook on natural resources. So this is going to be my file name. And here I have already mapped the same steps, and I have mapped all the required details because I have cloned this tab. So I have filled the required details here. Now I'm going to click on save. So my data is saved successfully. Now what I'm going to do is that I have set up my filter and my actions tab for my second product, which is of ebook on natural resources. So I'm going to close this. So now I have created the routes on the basis of the digital products that I have in my WooCommerce store. Now to check this, what I have to do is, I have to create a new order for my ebook on natural resources. So I will go back to my WooCommerce store, and here I'm going to buy this product of ebook on natural resources. So I'm going to add this to cart, and I'm going to click on proceed to checkout, and my billing details are filled. So I'm going to click on place order. So I have created this order for my ebook on natural resources. Now what is going to happen is, it is going to send that product automatically on WhatsApp. Now to check this, I will open WhatsApp. And here on WhatsApp, we can see I have received this new message. So I'm going to open this. And here I have received this new product, which is resources.pdf. And this is the PDF of the new ebook that I have just bought on natural resources. So I have this message which says, "Hello test customer, we have received your payment for ebook on natural resources." And I'm attaching the product with this message so you can download it. Thank you for shopping with us. So automatically I have received this ebook on my WhatsApp, and I can download that ebook from here. So here my connection between WooCommerce and WhatsApp Cloud API is working successfully, so that whenever I'm receiving a new order with the digital product in my WooCommerce store, then automatically I'm sending that digital product on WhatsApp to that customer so that that customer can download it from WhatsApp only. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have created this connection between WooCommerce and WhatsApp Cloud API. Now let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was WooCommerce, and my trigger event was new order created. Then I have set up my actions tab, and in actions tab I have used router by Pabbly. And in router by Pabbly I have created two different routes. So in this I have created routes for my different products, for my different digital products that I have in my WooCommerce store. So whenever I get these particular products in my order, then automatically I'm sending these digital products to my customer on WhatsApp. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.